hot wire goes on the copper, neutral goes on the neutral, ground goes on the ground. Tighten those up. That's all that you have to have. Power comes through here. If something's plugged in, it goes on to whatever's using the power, it comes back, travels down this wire, goes back to the transformer. That's all you've got to have for an outlet to work. Normally there's multiple outlets on the same circuit, so another wire was often seen running to the next outlet. This would get pigtailed in there with that, or wound together, either one. You'll see it in multiple different ways inside of a box. So this would be power coming to this outlet, and this would be a cable going to the next outlet. And that's what you would normally see inside of a box for an outlet. I'm going to take this back apart, and I'll show you how a switch works. We'll talk about switches. What's different about a switch is that it only uses the hot wire. It should only switch the hot wire. It's just breaking the circuit. It's like taking a wire nut off. That's all it does. The only wires that are going to it are hot wires normally. You will sometimes see a white wire. Oftentimes, if they use the white wire, it's the save wire, and be able to run it with one cable. And there should be black electrical tape on that white wire if they're using that way, so that you know that it's hot. Switches have to be grounded. Here you've got, when you turn the switch off, it breaks the connection between those two terminals. This connection is on, this connection is off. I've got the switch upside down if you see the writing on the switch. But that's the basics of a switch. The neutrals, if they're wired like this, the neutral will be put together with a wire nut in the box. And that would be inside of the box, like that. The grounds would be pigtailed together.